Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some raviolis in the slow cooker. Just 2 ingredients. So let's get crocking. Normally I would just cook these on the stove, but some of the college students don't have stoves, so I thought I would try them in the slow cooker just to see how this works. So this is a 16-ounce bag of beef, spinach, and cheese raviolis. I think these were $4. You get these in the freezer section. So just dump those in there. And also this is a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce. This is the Classico family. I use this one a lot. So just get that in there. I think this jar of sauce was $3, so $7 total for this. I mixed that together. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. So we'll be back in a little bit and see how it turned out. These have been in here for 1 hour and 20 minutes, so let's see how they look here. Well, it looks like they're pretty well heated through. I don't want them to get mushy, so let me grab a plate and we'll try them out. These are steaming hot. I put some Parmesan cheese on top. Steam a little asparagus to go with it. Let's see how they are here. Texture seems good. Let's try a bite. Those are good. I was worried they might get mushy, but they turned out really good. I wonder if Annie will eat a ravioli. She doesn't seem as excited as usual. She looks a little tired. Well, I cut one up. We'll see if she eats it. Well, it looks like she's a ravioli eater. Well, those turned out really good. I thought they might get a little mushy, but they were fine. Like I said, those were frozen. They were in the freezer section, but that worked out good. So if you don't have a stove, that's just another way you can do it. Or, you know, if you got people coming and going and you just want to do something different, and they put them in there and they'll stay warm. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.